Hello everyone, my name is Michael and I'm the Crafty Crocheter, and today is my 100th video extravaganza. So I thought I would do this video detailing more about myself and why I have the channel and who the inspiration behind my channel is, and my supporters, and what the future holds. So I thought this 100th video would be fitting for that purpose. Alright, so I have my notes in front of me, so please forgive me if I am not totally prepared for this, but it's just something that I've been wanting to do for a while, so alright. Alright, so who exactly is the Crafty Crocheter? Let's see, like I said, my name is Michael. I live in Northeast Ohio, and I've been an avid crocheter since I was 14. I am now 48, so around 30 some odd years I've been crocheting. See, and I'm an Aquarius in case anyone wants to know my birth sign. So, and let's see, and I almost went to culinary school. Believe it or not, I wanted to be a chef because I love cooking. I still do cook a little bit, but I'm not to the point to where I would call myself a chef. I'm more of a home cook. And I also thought about being a sommelier. I actually thought about getting my level 1 certificate for that, but I thought it'd just be too much money, and what would I do with it? But I do love wine, and I do love to pair food and wine together, so there's that. I'm just an all-around crafty person. I've always been a creative person, whether it be drawing, crocheting, knitting, embroidery, plastic canvas work, anything to that effect. I've always been creative. Let's see, and I was in the IT field. I went to college got a bachelor's degree in computer networking, the Cisco track, so I still have my CCNA, which is valid until January of next year. So forgive me if I'm looking down my notes, because again, alright, so why a YouTube channel? Okay, so I thought of this a while ago before I created it in February, so I just came out with the channel February of this year. So it's been a little over 7 months, and I'm grateful for all of my subscribers and support and people who are showing me lots of love and great ideas and so forth. But I thought I would just spread my message that, hey, males can crochet too. So this channel is kind of, I don't want to say aimed at, but I'm trying to get a lot more men to come out of the proverbial crocheting closet to say, hey, I crochet, there's nothing wrong with it. It doesn't make me any less of a man or a masculine person. Because in this world of hyper-masculinity, it's just something, hey, it just sets us apart. And I am I'm a gay male, and as you may know from my pride stuff, so it's obvious, duh. And I appreciate all my gay sharers out there. Yes, I am coining that. Gay sharers are basically gay individuals who crochet. So may create a hashtag gay share. So let me know if that, I think I might catch on. Alright, so but I just want to spread my message saying, hey, guys can crochet too. It's crocheting and knitting and embroidery, plastic canvas work is not just strictly for women or females. Alright, so who inspired me to start this channel? There were a couple of individuals out there who got me inspired to start my own channel, to spread my message of crocheting to everyone out there. And I have three individuals and channels that got me inspired, and in no particular order, I'll go over them now. First is going to be Creative Grandma. I first saw her videos along with her grandson Cody. Let me start. Okay, I'm getting tongue-tied a little bit. The majority of her tutorials are about either stitches or Afghans, which I really love, because Afghans are something I love to do because I don't have to worry about paying attention to different stitches and where to put counting the stitches as you would do with amigurumi. But I like doing amigurumi, but the reason I kind of gravitated towards Creative Grandma's channel was because of the Afghan aspect, or So it was awesome to, hey, listen, she explains everything in great detail, and she's a great instructor. So I would really suggest checking out her channel if you're interested in doing any kind of like Afghans blankets. And she also does yarn reviews and stitches of the week, and which is kind of like where I got my idea for stitch of the week. So, but kudos to Creative Grandma and Cody for being on YouTube and for inspiring a lot of us crocheters out there. And then the next person would be Elise Rose Crochet. I love the way that she delivers tutorials, she delivers yarn reviews, and she advertises a lot of different things like breads and things like that, which I also like to bake, so that's awesome. And I remember she was the deciding factor for me to start the channel, because in one of her earlier videos she says that although there may be many different crochet channels out there delivering the same content and so forth, but the only thing that your channel has that they don't is you. So I took that to heart, and that is why I started the channel. So again, thank you, Elise, for inspiring me to create this channel. And the third person or third channel would be Bag O' Day Crochet, or Crystal. I mean, she's phenomenal. She, again, like Creative Grandma, most of her channel, her videos are basically about Afghans and stitches, but I love the way that she teaches you how to work the stitches and how to, she gives clear instruction, let's just say, you know. So, and she has her own yarn now too. I think it's on Mary Maxim, so I would advise checking out her channel and also checking out Mary Maxim's website for her yarn. I haven't gotten any of her yarn yet, but I may go in and order just a few cakes of it just to work with it and see how I like it. So thank you, Crystal, for being on YouTube and for inspiring me and a lot of other crocheters to start their own crochet channels and getting their word out there. All right, and so as far as my supporters goes, like, I have had a lot of love and support from all of you out there. I am grateful for that, but there are a couple individuals I want to call out. So I have 3 here on my notes, but I may speak of a few more, but in no particular order. The first one would be Crocheting with EG. He is phenomenal. I love his yarn hauls, and I love his stories, and he's given me a lot of love and support for my own channels, my videos and so forth. So I would advise checking out his channel as well. Second person would be Itching for Stitching. She does a lot of stitch work like embroidery, cross stitch, and I also like cross stitch and embroidery. So and she's given me a lot of love too and support on all of my videos. She leaves me comments for almost every video I send out, which is awesome. Same with EG. I thank you both for that. So I advise checking out Itching for Stitching's channel as well if you are into embroidery or cross stitch. And the third person would be Tattooed Yarn. She really started giving me comments about my yarn dance videos. I may do more of those. Those are fun to do. It's just the one day just popped in my brain. I thought, hey, let's dance with yarn. No one else has been doing it. So I am grateful for her support and love as well. So thank you for that. And I think one other person I don't have on this list is Knots of Creation Bear. He's a new and upcoming channel. He is a great individual. He shows a lot of passion and love for what he does, and so I would check out his channel, and I would go to his shop. I think it's like Creation Bear or knotsofcreation.com. It's in his videos and his descriptions of his videos. But I would check out his store too and purchase some of his goods and wares. And I also have a shop out. I don't have my domain name yet, but I think I have the link in one of my earlier posts. My shop is called Crafty Creations. I'm selling all of my completed projects, like my blankets and scarves, hats, and I may include some of my amigurumi work as well. So check out. I'll leave the description for the link in below, and along with all the other channels and so forth. Alright, so then what does the future hold for this channel? I really don't know right now. I mean, I have a lot of ideas in my brain for future videos. I mean, there's one I'm gonna post here in the future. I did a recent shopping trip to a couple of different stores in my neighboring city. And there have been a couple I haven't been to before, so I thought I would go down there and check out what they have. And I do have some stuff behind the chair. Yes, I went a little crazy the other day. So I think I might split that into 2 parts, because I think for the first part I'll show where I shopped at and what their stores look like and what kind of yarns they have. And then the second part will be the actual yarn haul from those stores. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, so alright, that's my notes I have, and I realize this is kind of a short and sweet video, but I still got to do my Stitch of the Week video, which I can do here probably maybe later on today or tomorrow. So and it's going to be an interesting stitch to show to y'all, so just be ready for that. So hope everyone's day is going well today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, so that way you are notified when my new videos come out. And again, oh, also, okay, as I mentioned before, I am, let me see, I'm getting my words minced. Oh, I'm an affiliate for Yarnspirations, so I'll put the description to my affiliate link below. And I also just became an affiliate for Premier Yarns, so I will also put that affiliate link in the description below, so check that out. So any orders that y'all shop from on those particular websites will give me a little commission, which will help the channel grow. So that, and all the yarns I have back here are spent with my own money. I'm not monetized yet, and so that all comes from my money. So I'm hopefully with this monetization adventure that I'll get paid for doing what I do right now. So anyway, so don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Be kind to each other, help each other out, spread love, not hate. Grab those crochet hooks, grab some yarn, and create something beautiful today. And we gotta yarn bomb this world and spread positivity and love throughout the universe. And enjoy the time on Earth while you still have it. Appreciate all that you have. The smallest things in life can bring us much joy. So on that note, take care of yourself and each other.